Sport application analysis. In terms of the respiratory system, it's crucial in order for you to perform your best throughout a sporting event. For example, a game of football requires the respiratory system a lot in order for the body to function throughout the whole game. Also, football requires running, walking and sprinting. The respiratory system allows this to happen because this is how gas exchange occurs, which provides the blood with oxygen. Without oxygenated blood, a footballer would be unable to run for over 30 seconds. This means that in terms of sport, the respiratory system working and having correct responses and receptors is vital. This is due to the fact that internal and external respiration not only provide the body with oxygen in order to work, but this is also expels waste products from the body such as carbon dioxide, which stops the body from functioning inefficiently and would make a football game very challenging if these products were not removed. In terms of ventilation, as football is a moderate activity that takes place over a long period of time, you would expect values for breathing rate to be roughly 30 breaths per minute throughout, as well as tidal volume being 1,500 millilitres throughout, meaning overall ventilation during football, as it is a moderate activity, would be roughly 45 plus litres.